OJA fair mining, is decentralization still exists? The answer is yes and no. Blockchain technology don't centralize the network, but humans do. 60 to 70% mining activities of major crypto coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are dominated by giant institutions and firms. Big countries like China and USA are dominating these public mining pools. We can see on the news how these giants make tons of money from mining and possibly have the capacity to control the market price. Will this lead back to a centralized network again? Just like an old traditional banking system? What should we call it? Undecentralized decentralization. This is one of our top concerns when building OJA. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, the OJA blockchain utilizes an ASIC resistance algorithm that requires less energy, makes the mining activity more power efficient and fair for everyone. Even my 8 years old son can mine OJA with his school laptop because OJA blockchain is explicitly designed for the community to solve the undecentralization problem that is happening nowadays with other cryptocurrencies. Can those big firms still mine OJA Coin? Yes, but the results won't be very effective or even not profitable at all in comparison to those who's mining at home with their personal computer. These OJA solutions gives our community freedom and equality to mine the coin supply. So literally everyone can mine. Not only those who has financial power with giant big mining machines. At OJA, we strive for a better future. That's why we commit to take part of it by making a better cryptocurrency for you, for us, and for our community. The future is now. The future is OJA. OJA Ecology. Used like other proof of work cryptocurrencies, OJA requires energy due to the computations needed for mining. That mining activity is responsible for creation of coin supplies and to process the transactions. Unlike the other cryptocurrencies, OJA utilized ASIC resistance and winning awards NIST 5 algorithm that requires significantly less energy to reduce the carbon footprint during the computations. The NIST 5 algorithm utilized by OJA allows it to be one of the most environmentally friendly cryptocurrencies available without compromising the speed, cost efficient, and security of the OJA network. At OJA, we strive for a better future. That's why we commit to taking part of it by making a better cryptocurrency for you, for us, and for our environment. Wallet V2 release. It was not so long ago when we released our first version of the web wallet to the community. Since that day, we are able to send and store our OJA coin easily and access it anytime, anywhere through the web. Since our community grows rapidly, the version 2 is beta released with some cool features, better security, performance, and opportunity to buy the lowest rate community pre-sale of OJA coin. We commit to make this V2 wallet more powerful and ready for the future, to scale and serve our larger communities better than before. It is the right time to say goodbye to our old friend OJA Wallet V1 and move on to the V2. All you need to do is just to sign up for a new account on V2 with a small email address you're using on V1 and you will be ready to go. No need to move your OJA coin balance as it's already signed with the OJA blockchain. With that means you will have the same exact balance and OJA addresses as you have in Wallet V1. For a better security reason, OJA Wallet V1 will stop its operation and inaccessible as soon as possible started from November 1st, 2021. For those who has already been using Wallet V2, nothing you have to do, just sit relax and try out our new features, updates on its upcoming weeks. And don't forget to support us by buying our community pre-sale coins at the lowest price just 1 week left. If you have any questions related to this, feel free to contact us on contact form. Our community would love to help you out.